welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Lashae, and today I have a very special video on my jewelry business that I just started July 1st. I'm just gonna go over how I package my items, some of the items I'm selling right now, and how you can customize your own items. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're alerted every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get the packaging out of the way because I actually do have to ship this item and I want to do it before the mailman comes. So we're just gonna start with that first. So at first I was use the USPS packaging supplies because they are free if you order them online. So these are the packages I first had. They're really big compared to the ones I use now, and they are padded, like bubble padded or whatever. So yeah, but on the shipping label I can't use these specific packages with like you can't use priority packages for first class mail. I think that's what they said, but basically I can't use these unless I do like my own shipping, I think. But yeah, I have two really big boxes full of these and I can't even use them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. But yeah. I also ordered some tracking numbers. So I am eventually going to do my own shipping instead of like shipping through Depop. It's just like right now starting, that is the easiest thing. So these are actually going to come in handy, like the address labels. So it says from and to, and you can just write it out yourself instead of like writing it on the bubble mailers or something. So now I just get these bubble mailers from Walmart. Yeah, from Walmart, and I think they're like $1 or something for two. I don't remember, to be honest, but yeah, these are like way smaller than the other ones, and I can actually use these with the labels that Depop prints out. So yeah, this is one of the labels that Depop prints out, so you can just like get some tape and tape it on there and the mailman will take it. Ooh. Okay, there we go. So these are some stackers that I got from Walmart. They were $1 each, and in them, in the first one, I have little honey stickers. So they're little honey jars. And my mom actually printed these out at her job, and I actually had to sit there and cut all of these out, like one by one. So yeah. These cards just say shop honey and stay sweet. These, I'm gonna show you guys how I like actually pack the items with all of these things in it, but I just want to show you what's on it first. These cards say thanks for shopping, and then it has my Instagram handle and the email address for the company. I hope you can see that. You probably can't. Sorry. And then the last ones just have my Instagram handle and my Depop website. So this is an anklet that a girl ordered. I do have a feature with my jewelry. I have some healing stones, and you can choose up to 3 healing stones that you want. I am going to type up a little sheet so that you guys know what the healing stones do, just in case you don't. So you can choose up to 3 different stones, and I'll put them in a jar for you, and you can choose to make a bracelet, a necklace, an anklet, or a keychain. The keychain is on my purse. I don't know where my purse is, but yeah, so when you order something like this, I will have to message you privately so I can send you all of the pictures and send you all of the information so that I can know like what you want to do. And if you order a jar necklace, you also have the option of doing it with beads like this, or you can have it on a chain if you want to. So yeah, this is what she ordered. This she only wanted one stone, and this one is called citrine. I hope I'm saying that right, but yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's super cute. So I have these little envelopes. It's just like white and gray printed envelopes. I just put the item in there like that, and then I take the thanks for shopping card and I put that on in there. And then I just fold it down, not all the way, but just halfway, so like right there. Fold it down. I get one of the honey stickers, put it on there to like close the envelope. I put it in so like when you open the envelope, the honey jar is facing forward, so like that. Then I take a card with the Depop on it, and I take a Stay Sweet card, one that just says Stay Sweet, and one with the Depop. And you just rip this off and fold it down. Tape the label on the front. I'm gonna go put this in a mailbox really quickly before my mailman comes, and that's all you do to actually ship your item. As far as what I'm shipping and how you can customize your own order, right now I have waistbands, necklaces, bracelets, anklets, and keychains are coming soon. I'm still like working on the actual keychain, not the jar part, that's pretty easy, but the actual keychain is pretty tricky because the jars that I use for the anklets and necklaces are a little, like the glass is a little thin, so they break kind of easily, and a keychain wouldn't be, you know, the best fit for those jars. So I have to find sturdier jars for the keychains, but all the other stuff is ready to go. So I'm just going to show you like a few of the items that I'm selling right now. So I have this waistband. It is colorful. It has the evil eye on it and some crystals. Now when you order a waistband, I just go by the size of your pants, and like a 28 or a 30, like that, and then I just take off like 2 inches so that it can actually fit around your waist and not your hips. But yeah, so that's one waistband like that. And then I have this one. It has a lotus flower on it with some leaves and, you know, some little diamond charms and more leaves and these little yellow beads or whatever. But yeah, that's another waistband. Necklace and bracelet set. So it's yellow, gold, and like a turquoise greenish color with Buddha heads on both of them. Cross bracelet with a bunch of leaves on it and some iridescent beads as well. And these are a few of the male items. So this one just has green and blue evil eyes on it, and it's just like black and white. And this one is just like a ruby type of charm. This one is black, and it also has like little shiny like crystals on it. This is one of the chokers I did. It's just turquoise, white, and pink with this bead in the middle. This one has an elephant on it and some crosses up here. And this one is just like a really soft and elegant necklace. I I really like this one. This one is really pretty. And then this is the jar necklace that I have on my site right now. It's just got some pink and pearl and clear shimmery beads in there. And in the jar it has pink quartz and crystal. This necklace is one of the letter necklaces. This is also available on my site. So yeah, with these necklaces there have to be big beads like in between them, so they can actually like be separated and you can actually read what it says, because if not, the words will literally just be on top of each other and you wouldn't be able to see it. But yeah, these are available to order. The way I have my Depop is I have like multiple items of one, so you can order, like if you see a letter necklace, you can just order it that way and then send me a message and tell me what you want it to say, and then I'll send you a picture of all the beads I have, and you can choose what beads and things you want on your necklace or your bracelet or your anklet. There is a limit to 3 charms, and by charms I mean like say you want 3 Buddha heads on one bracelet or like on one necklace, that would be the limit. If you want 4, it would be an extra $1. If you want like 4 crosses, that would be an extra $1. So bracelets are typically $7 with 3 charms. Not the letter ones, just like regular bracelets, like this one or this one, this one or this one. So any of these 4 would just be $7 because they only have 4 charms. I mean 3 charms on each. If you wanted an extra charm, like I said, it would be an extra $1, so it'll be $8. Sorry about that. My dog is quite young and playful. But that's it, you guys. These lashes are by Cosmic Cosmetics Co. They are so cute, so long. They don't feel heavy at all. I will put the video where I reviewed all the products that they sent me. I will leave the video at the end of this video so you guys can go watch that one and check out her products and when she launches everything. I am on their PR list, so I will be getting more of their products hopefully soon. And yeah, I'm not gonna tell y'all where this hair is from because it's not really good hair. I had to leave these braids in for like 3 days and it's probably gonna get back poofy in like 2 hours or something. But yeah, I do have a hair company I recommend. I will leave their Instagram on the screen. I haven't had any hair from them, but my good friend purchased hair from them, and the girl who owns the hair company is my good friend. I've known her since middle school, so I trust her hair, I trust her, and I know that, you know, her hair is really good quality. So if you guys want some good hair, I'll leave the Instagram on the screen. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today for this video. Definitely go check out my jewelry company. Is depop.com/shophoneyco. Super easy to remember. I will link it in the description box. I will be posting more items. I'll probably be posting like 3 or 4 items each day until my birthday. Then I'll kind of slow down. But yeah, so check it out. You can order an item that's already made on there, or like I said, you can just message me to customize your own item. So go check it out, put me to work. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay sweet, guys.